3+3 C30. My dad says that we should airbag it all the no, mira. G50, GMC, 8-speed. Motherfucking gusanita. That square booty up in here. Fucking dually. Chitting, and it locks right here with a real simple mechanism. Just can't beat old shit like this. Or to just transport it real quick and shit. He'll be golden. She's about to go full mount. 3+3 equals 9, bitch. It's pretty amused of the geometry. That's it. Triangulation, bitch. Oh, wrong button, doctor. Triangulate. Geometrical. Motherfuckers. Straight missing a bolt. It's not gonna go anywhere, you know, but still. Slight level of sketch. Revenga! This is a fucking update. It's Blackfoot's chicken. This was a chicken. These are turkeys. I think. Still. Maybe I'll remove the bed. I don't know. Shit, you know, but yeah. That's the update. Kids, don't be doing no hack shit. Just kidding. Oil though, I think it had a good run. Over 2 years. And a half coil loops cut off that shit. So what is it, like a 4-inch drop up front? It's gonna be like a 6-inch drop in the rear, so it levels out and look pretty tight. I always use Rust-Oleum with mineral spirits to reduce, and then the ratio is 5:2. But then again, kids, remember, I'm there. Stir it up real good. Mineral spirits. You can use acetone also, but it works good too. But I use mineral spirits to clean everything, so I'm not gonna buy two cans of shit, you know. She's looking pretty fucking sexy. Just gotta do a couple more layers and then chase some high spots, you know. But that's it. Somebody had already been in there for sure. Septic plumbing is not fun. Fuck you. I missed the UPS guy. But here's the parts. Do the axle flip. Little death wheel action here. Removing the bump stops. So you grind them off. Grind off these rivets. You see I already did it here. This is the last one, and then I'm gonna just pop it off. Boom. 8 in total, 3 down. Just pop right out. A single leaf. You might need a fucking step. But yeah, there it is. Yo, fuck ants. They just fucked me up again. Look, my arm's all swollen. Fucking ants. Shit hurts. Alright, so fucking axle flip is installed here on the square. I usually do a 5.3 with 3-inch coil springs and the axle flip to give you a level ride. Alright, so fucking axle flip is installed here on the square. I usually do a 5.3 with 3-inch coil springs and the axle flip to give you a level ride. The leaf springs are hard as fuck, so it's hard to even get it to that point where it hits, so you should be golden. That's like the step before having to notch the frame, run spacers and all that shebang. Perhaps they were trying to remedy C10 lean, that known lean, you know, where the springs get tired or like the fucking body and slightly off balance, but it looks good. I don't know, I gotta roll it out there maybe. Damn, I think I'm becoming an old person because the more I look at these mags, originals, the more I like them. I just want some fucking stretch tires on the bitches because those tires are huge, but damn, this little fucking 3.5 drop looks pretty sexy on it. It's not as slammed as my fucking 75 over here, but that's the difference. But like I said, I'm getting old. I love them wheels though. And I don't know if a lot of them survive because they're so ugly that everybody would just chuck them bitches away. Ya se va. It looks good, Slam. So I had trouble with the truck leaning before, I guess, because we had this spacer on that side only because of a balance problem. But we're going to put it on this side because since it's a flip axle, now the higher point is on this side, so we're going to bring it down instead of bringing it up. The direct opposite of what this was doing. So yeah, shouldn't be but a thing real quick, yeah. Oiga, mijo, ¿y por qué le puso gusana ciega a la troca? Es que es una verga, tía. Es que es una verga. This shit will be peeling out.